Hey there, I'm David.
And I'm Angelique.
And we are
Adventures on Deck.
And today, huge news. We've got another cruise booked on a brand new ship.
Yes.
Let's get into it. All right, so for those of you who don't know, the Carnival Jubilee is Carnival's newest ship. They just announced it officially a few months ago now.
Yeah.
And they did announce recently that it is going to be coming to Galveston, Texas, which is our cruise port that we go out of every cruise so far. We eventually will get to other ports, but that's our home cruise, our home port. It's pretty close for us. So we like to travel out of there just because it's more convenient and cheaper because you don't have to worry about airfare. But the Carnival Jubilee is the first XL class ship coming out of Galveston. So it's the sister ship of the Celebration and the Mardi Gras. And it's going to start sailing officially on November the 18th out of Galveston. So the only cruise that's happening before then is the transatlantic from Europe over to bring it to Galveston. So we'll be on the very first sailing outside, out of the United States on the Carnival Jubilee. So we're super excited about that. There'll be multiple videos about this between now and then, and other things that we're going to be getting into cruise related. So if you want to stay up to date on what we're doing and how things are going, and then cruise news stuff and everything cruising related, just make sure that you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and you'll be informed about where things are going.
Yeah. And it is going to be amazing. So
super excited.
For those of you who are interested in hearing about the XL class ships, the Mardi Gras is currently Carnival's flagship. She is gorgeous. Everyone has been just thrilled. Yeah. And so we've been watching. We're really, really excited. We are also those cruisers that booked our first cruise on a balcony, and it's really hard to not go back.
Yeah.
So we booked a cove balcony for this trip. We are super excited, and wanted to throw this out there that if you guys are interested, like we said, November 2023 is when the sailings are starting. Right now, there are some promos going on the regular just Carnival website. But we actually were fortunate enough to book with one that gave us onboard credit.
Yeah, which is pretty cool. We get $200 of onboard credit on this trip, so that'll be really cool. So again, it starts on November 18th. It is a 7-day sailing, so you're gonna miss Thanksgiving. So all of our family out there now, sorry, November 2023, we're not gonna be here for Thanksgiving. We'll make other plans and have a get together with family or sometime either before we leave or when we get back. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so we will not be here for the day of Thanksgiving. We'll be on a ship. So that'll be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
What's funny is I had just said that this Thanksgiving. I'm like, I would do one. Maybe.
Yeah. And then we just happened to get it. And we talked about being on this voyage. We wanted to be on the first sailing out. So we're super excited to get to do that. Very happy about that. So it's going to be a fun time. If you want to join us, let us know. You can add that, just book that cruise. It's November 18th, 7-day cruise, 3 cruise ports. So we're going to Cozumel, Costa Maya, and Mahogany Bay.
Yeah.
So those are the 3 ports that we're going to here. Not in that order. It's actually, I think, reversed. I think Mahogany Bay is first, and then Cozumel is last. But yeah, so anyway, that's the plan. We are heading onto that ship. We did book today. So again, join us. We'll see you guys in November. And then again, stay up to date with us between now and then. And we'll have a lot more about that coming up soon.
Yeah. Hope to see you guys in the comments below. Let us know if you're going to be joining us or just reaching out, checking out the ship. We are so excited.
Or have you been on the Mardi Gras? Have you seen that already? Have you? Because we've seen a lot of videos and pictures about it. It looks like it's completely different from the last couple of versions of ships. So like the Breeze, the Dream class ships, the Vista class ships, which we've been on both of those, and they're very similar with some differences. This new XL class looks to be completely different, but it looks amazing. So if you've been on the Mardi Gras, let us know. I don't think this is Celebration sailing yet. It's coming soon.
Yeah, this year.
Yeah. So if you've been on the Mardi Gras, let us know. Like, what is it like? Did you enjoy it? But anyway, we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah. See you around.
Bye.